Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issue in R.E.P.O.
Fix 1. Check in-game audio settings Step 1. Open settings in the game Step 2. Go to audio section Step 3. Make sure master volume, music, and SFX are not muted Step 4. Apply changes and restart the game. Fix 2. Set the correct playback device, Windows, Step 1. Right-click the sound icon, bottom right. Step 2. Click Sound Settings. Step 3, under Output. Select your speaker. Headset. Step 4. Test audio by clicking Device Properties. Test. Fix 3. Update audio drivers. Step 1. Press Windows, EX. Click Device Manager. Step 2. Expand sound. Video and game controller. Step 3. Right-click your sound device. Update driver. Step 4. Restart your PC. Fix 4. Disable spatial sound. Step 1. Right-click the sound icon. Step 2. Click spatial sound. Step 3. Select off. Step 4. Relaunch R.E.P.O. Fix 5. Check Windows Sound Enhancement. Step 1. Right-click sound icon. Sound settings. Step 2. Click More Sound Settings. Step 3. Select the output device. Properties. Step 4. Go to Enhancement. Step 5. Tick. Disable all enhancements.